Hello, good afternoon, my beautiful ladies, my beautiful women. Welcome back to my channel. I want to teach you people homemade cough medicine, the easy one, easy cough medicine, the simple one. First of all, you need a shea butter wey people call Orioyo shea butter, 100% Africa shea butter, the original one. Number 2, you need salt and spoon. So as you are watching me, may God bless you. Number 1 step, you need to cut small little one in the spoon. After that, you have to put little salt. After that is steps 2. Step 3, you need to put it on top of gas, anywhere, heater, so that it will melt. As you are watching me, may God bless you all. So it's already melting now. May God bless you. Easy way to do cough medicine at home. Easy way. It's very easy. So it's already melting now. You people can see it. At least if you want to do it 3 days, you will not hear about cough again. Thank you very much. May God bless you all. So it's ready to use now. You can see it for your eye. Thank you very much. Thank you, my people. So it's ready now. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.